Hello, everyone. Here is the parent news for the week of January 13th through 17th. Congratulations to Giuseppe, excuse me. Congratulations, Giuseppe, for being this week's virtual learning rock star. We are so proud of you. Giuseppe comes to class prepared, ready to learn. Assignments are being completed, turned in correctly. He studies for tests. Giuseppe, you are doing all the things that a virtual learning rock star would do. So, congratulations, sweetie pie. Parents Reading All Stars information has gone out. This starts on Monday. I also sent a link where your student can fill out the books that they've read. There's a form. So please make sure your kiddo does that and gets it in. This form says it is going to be due by February 14th, but I have a goal for all of my students to fill out that form, which should take them no longer than 5 minutes, to have it filled out by January the 24th. So please make sure that your student fills out that Reading All Star form. I sent the link inside of an email, and I also posted it to the student resource hub inside of Google Classroom. Please make sure your student is completing apps. So 10 minutes of Amira, 10 minutes of Dreambox, and 20 minutes of independent reading. This should be taking place every day. Upcoming dates, January 20th, no school as we celebrate Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. January 21st is the 100th day of school. And parents, next week, I will be sending out some fun activities as we prepare for our 100th day together. February 7th will be clubs. February 17th is President's Day. Again, no school. And I can't even believe these words are coming out of my mouth, but spring break will be March 17th through the 21st. Wow. Last chance, please check backpack for any and all NHI and missing work. No work from this week will be accepted after 8 a.m. on Monday. So please make sure you go through backpack as well as Google Classroom and check behind your kiddo. Questions and conversations. Again, lots of learning has taken place this week. Please take time this weekend to ask your kiddo a few recap questions. Students should know the answers to the next few questions, and if they are stumped or confused, please encourage them to focus more in class. Here's the question you can ask your kiddo along with the answer. What does it mean to synthesize? Also, parents, ask your student to tell you about Helen Keller. We have talked extensively about Helen Keller this week, so please ask them to share about Helen Keller with you. In math, ask your student to tell you how much a penny, nickel, dime, and quarter are worth. You might even want to give your student some change and ask them to count it for you and tell you how much change they have. That will help as well. For science, here is, or for health actually, here is our dinner plate. Please have your student look at this slide and tell you some options to create a well balanced dinner. What would their meal look like to have a well balanced dinner? In grammar, we've been talking about compound subjects and compound predicates. Please ask your student to tell you what the following two sentences are. Okay, so Bob and Fred found paper towels. Is that a compound subject or a compound predicate? And then the next sentence says Alice made a salad and baked bread. Is that a compound subject or a compound predicate? And parents, I've put the answers right there in parentheses. For writing, we just started our new unit in writing. Please ask your kiddo who the character is in their imaginative writing piece. Right now, in their writer's notebook, students should be caught up between slides 1 and 5. Students should have slides 1 and 5 finished by Friday afternoon. Please check your students' weekly recap. That is going to be sent out momentarily. So please make sure that you are ready to look at that with your kiddo so we can see any areas that we might need to adjust. And so we can also see areas where they're doing great, because a lot of my kiddos are doing so good and I'm very proud of them. All right, everyone, check out that student newsletter that went out and has posted to our classroom website as well. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I hope the snow comes down and sticks and you're able to enjoy yourself and your kiddo. Have a good weekend, everyone. I will see you next week.